Hi everyone, today we will explain a new topic in algebra. Its title is the Cartesian Product. The Cartesian Product. At first, what is the meaning of the Cartesian Product? Let's write our title, the Cartesian Product. Our title today is the Cartesian Product. At first, what is the meaning of the Cartesian Product? Today, we will multiply two sets. The Cartesian Product, that means we will multiply two sets. For example, if we have two sets, the first set is called set X. Set X equals two elements, 1, 2. Set Y equals brackets 3 and 4. This is our example today. The required number 1, find X multiply Y. Required number 2, find Y multiply X. Required number 3, find n of X. Required number 4, find n of Y. Required number 5, find n of X multiply Y. Let's solve this exercise. At first, before we solve this exercise, we should know this concept, the ordered pair. What is the meaning of the ordered pair? I'll tell you the meaning of ordered pair by this example. This form is called the ordered pair, 3, 4, 3 and 4. This form is called the ordered pair. The ordered pair consists of two numbers between brackets. The first number is called the first projection. That means the first number, which is 3, is called the first projection, but the second number, which is 4, is called the second projection. Now, let's write our solution. The solution, we will solve this exercise by easy method. Required number 1, X multiply Y. To find X multiply Y, at first write set X. Set X equals 1 and 2. Multiply set Y, which equals 2, 3 and 4. How to write the answer? At first, we will start by the first element in the first set, which is 1. 1 joined by 3. Write the answer in the form of the ordered pair. 1 and 3, close brackets, 1 and 4. First element, which is 1 joined by 3, 1 and 3 is ordered pair, then 1 and 4. Let's complete the answer. Now we're gonna deal with the second element. 2 and 3, then 2 and 4. Finish the answer. This is the first required, which is x multiplied y. Now, let's solve solution number 2. Exercise number 2. Exercise 2, find y multiply x. Find y multiply x. Now, we change the order. We start by the set of y, 3 and 4, multiply the second set, 1 and 2. Let's write the answer. The answer is, we will use the same method. We will start by the element, the first element, 3 and 1, 3 and 2, then 4 and 1, the last ordered pair, 4 and 2. What do you observe? The first answer, which x multiply 1, is different. The second answer, which is y multiply x. So we can write this notes. X multiply y doesn't equals y multiply x. It is a very important note in our lesson.